Hey you,
What?
do you want to know how to be a dub star?
Yeah, but I don't know how.
Well, I'll teach you how with just a few steps.
Amazing.
Step 1, get a weird haircut.
Okay.
And you're done.
Yay.
Step 2, get yourself a keyboard.
How? Cool.
Turn your auto-tune to max. Play a key of your choice. Step 3, make your voice auto-tuned.
Okay. Now what?
Dance to your music. Hey you,